Liang take a report mission on Guatemala, Ayod Jonglei State. Ayod Commissioner said Tanjman Badak, Japatuk, Kamaka, Native Consular Civilian, Kennedy NGOs, Lagi Humanitarian Organization, Telakana. Chicken Gormonana, Ayod County Commissioner Jim Georgia has ordered all non-government organizations to return to their county headquarters within 48 hours, claiming the security situation has stabilized. The commissioner warned that any NGO failing to comply would be answerable for their absence. The directive followed a chaotic incident earlier this week when Cattle Relief Service (CRS) staff fled Ayod town after security forces allegedly seized their vehicle during an evacuation. Civil society leaders and humanitarian agencies have condemned the move, warning that intimidation could disrupt life-saving aid for thousands of civilians in flood-prone and conflict-affected regions. Joe Chalingwasame Ramamem Chala Ayod Commissioner Tana Janwan Badaka come made a content again give us an order to report Kayot County. The commissioner warning to with challenging project, order state below. Then the other consular non-governmental organization in order to look court and get money back. And I may miss it to make a carry for the pipe. She find in Ramadan and Ayod County Commissioner Kajan Korwata Paiva. She take a Tarbieli, the Chokoroke, Domin Demi, the Siokana and order the Chok headquarters. Guadadi, Spla, and White and Jaka war. Chicken day down and you cannot win the cocken. One can manage the chopin and a low chicken online, stand up and check. Guadadi, Spla, Iwotan, watch a Kaikam bush. Tarbiela to and the Chajikan Savannah. Tarbiela to Chow Banking and Katan and Chawa. I hear a term right corner, Tetka, Espelayo, Chavan Tarbiel to Chakana, come with Kur, but did one away carry for again, and I'm the yelling. And Ayod County Commissioner in Georgia, Malade, Woda, telling me long rotten, because right now, Chanjoinica, Cha Ambushneka. One the cooking barracking was and day. I don't know if it's in control pretty much. No.